In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can store all your photos and videos on your iCloud. You can simply move all your photos and videos to your iCloud account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. Select General. Then tap right here on iPhone Storage. On the first option of iCloud Photos, tap right here to enable iCloud Photos. All your photos and videos will get stored to your iCloud. This takes some time to get done with the process. Your photos and videos will get safely stored and you can browse, search and share from any other devices. That's how easy it is to store your videos and photos on iCloud account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.